Yes, I can absolutely do that for you. Uh-huh. Next Thursday would be great, yeah. I'll just mark that in. Yeah, I expect Mr. Claus any minute now, so I'll be sure to let him know, okay? Have a very cheerful day. Goodbye.
Hello, Miss Marta.
Hello, Mr. Claus. How was your day?
Well, it was another busy day in the workshop, but luckily the preparations for Christmas are just about complete. Looking forward to getting off my feet. You know, if you don't mind, I'd love one of your famous hot cocos.
Certainly, sir. I can do that for you right away. But I'm afraid you can't get too comfortable. Remember, you have to go pick up the Easter Bunny for your week-long golf tournament.
Of course, how could I forget? The perfect way to de-stress before the holiday season. I guess you'll have to make that hot cocoa to go-go.
I can do that for you, sir. Here's your mail for today.
Thank you. Oh, another bill.
Now, I do have a few notes before you head out.
All right.
First of all, Frosty was thinking of trying out a new style for his hat. He asked if he could borrow one of yours. Now, I told him that wasn't exactly a good idea, you know, for Frosty of all snowmen. But I told him to call you after Christmas.
That's probably a good idea. We all remember what happened last time he tried a hat on. Anything else?
Yes. So the reindeer feed will be delivered on Tuesday instead of Wednesday this week. And Binky the elf is our employee of the month. Congratulations, Binky. So he gets an extra candy cane every week for the rest of the month.
Excellent. Looks like you're right on top of things as usual.
Thank you, Mr. Claus. Oh, there's just one more thing. Today we have 7,462 letters from children all around the world asking specifically about reindeer. You know, what you feed them, where do they sleep, that kind of thing. That's a surprisingly low number for today.
It is.
Anyways, I thought it might be a good idea if you contacted Scribbler the elf, or I could do it, and he wrote a new story.
Oh, that's a wonderful idea. You can add to his book.
I think that's a brilliant idea. So I'll go get that cocoa for you, okay?
All right, thank you. You know, curious children from all over the world write me letters by the thousands, asking questions about reindeer and elves and the North Pole and how I get all the presents to fit into my sleigh and many, many more. You know, for years I've longed to answer each letter and tell every boy and girl our story, but I'm a toy maker, not a storyteller, so nothing was done about it until one night when I passed the responsibility off to Scribbler the elf. You see, Scribbler is our scribe, and writing is what he does best. As you can see, he does it very well indeed. He divides his time between the card and book workshop, where he's famous for his calligraphy and verse, and the Christmasland archives. That's where we keep all of our records, your letters, the legends, our maps, blueprints, drawings, everything, you name it. Scribbler's been with me from the beginning. He's never forgotten a thing. You know, what's more, Scribbler understood perfectly when I reminded him that the most important part of our story is the hardest to capture in words. It's the part that you bring with you as you sit down with a book like this and open yourself to the magic that is Christmas. It's the magic of love that's born in the heart and can transform the entire world. Oh, I wish I could read my book to all of you, but for the time being I'll have to keep it right here in my workshop. Wonderful tale, that. Here we are.
Here you are, Mr. Claus.
Thank you.
It's hot, sorry.
That's all right.
Sorry.
No problem.
I'm afraid you won't have time to drink it now. You're almost going to be late for your, to pick up the Easter Bunny.
Oh, yes, of course, I better hop to it. Hop. Little funny humor there. All right.
That's very funny, Mr. Claus.
Thank you. All right, Miss Marta, you're in charge. I'll be back in a week. Make sure the reindeer are all fed and bathed. Oh, and don't let Blitzen stay up past his bedtime. He'll tell you he's allowed to, but he's not.
Will do, Mr. Claus.
Thank you. We'll see you all in a week. Goodbye, everybody.
Have a good trip. Hey. Did you guys hear that? Santa's gonna be gone for a whole week. Remember those dates, December 10th to the 17th. That's when he's gonna be gone. And I thought it might be fun if you guys snuck into Santa's workshop and took some family pictures. What do you think? Oh, you could even read the story Santa was talking about. I like that. I think 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. would be best. I'll put something together. Oh, Rudolph's coming. I gotta go. Bye, everyone.